In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for personal productivity. 5 minutes. We'll start by getting you into Trello. If you're new, create a free account. If you already have one, just log in on the web or in the mobile app. Once you're in, create a new personal board. This is your workspace, so keep it separate from team boards if you want a clean place for your own tasks. Give the board a clear, motivating title that tells you exactly what it's for, like daily focus or personal projects. A good title makes it easier to return and stay consistent. Choose the board's visibility next. For personal productivity, private is usually best, so only you can view it. Public boards can be discovered by others, so avoid sharing anything sensitive if you switch to public. Now, structure your work with lists that reflect your workflow. Common stages are backlog, next up, in progress, waiting, and done. Keep it simple. 3 to 5 lists are usually enough. Within those lists, create cards. Each card should represent a single task or a small, actionable step in a larger project. Clear, verb-led titles like draft resume or call the contractor make it obvious what to do. As you work, drag cards between lists to show progress. If you have a long to-do list elsewhere, add cards in bulk by copying that list and pasting it into Trello. Each line becomes its own card, which is a quick way to get organized without retyping. Click any card to add context. Use the description to clarify the outcome, attach files you'll need, and, if it helps, add a checklist to break the task into smaller pieces. This makes the work feel manageable and trackable. In the description, you can format details with Markdown. Use headings for sections, bullets for subtasks, and simple emphasis to highlight what matters. Include goals or a definition of done so you know exactly when a card is complete. Set due dates and enable reminders so you stay ahead of deadlines. Trello can nudge you before a task is due, which is great for time-sensitive items. Review upcoming due dates each morning to plan your day. Finally, apply color-coded labels to categorize tasks by priority, context, or project type. Create a simple color key you'll remember and use it consistently to scan your board at a glance. That's it. Keep your board up to date and review your lists regularly. With this simple setup, Trello becomes a reliable home for your personal productivity.